buy you juice and come right to the garden center for now.
Do you have anything that says your name on it? Nothing over there? No, sir. Waiting for the Texas plate just took off.
Turn around. You have any weapons on you? No. Hands behind your back.
No, what town? What town?
One time, it was a long time ago.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Yeah, I got shot. It just came out recently, though.
What's up? Yeah, no, I got you. My car is up on West Street because I came in from that side. Where you coming from? Target.
Huh?
You coming from Target?
What is this for first?
This is fraud.
Fraud what?
Yeah, over at Lowe's.
No.
Who were you with over at Lowe's?
I was not with nobody at Lowe's.
You weren't at Lowe's?
I was not at Lowe's, boss. No.
You sure?
No. Not been at Lowe's.
376.
I have not been at Lowe's. Not come by me,
clothes?
boss. I have not been at Lowe's, boss. Do not come by me, please.
Just let us know.
I have not been at Lowe's. Here I go.
No, you're not free to leave.
Great t-shirt. Why am I not free to leave?
You took it out of somebody's car.
I did what?
Alright, long sleeve. We got over here. You got an ID on you?
No, sir.
Find an ID.
My name is Kyle Willis.
What's that?
Kyle Willis.
Alright. What's your date of birth, Kyle?
What is this for?
You'll be
Until we figure out what's going on.
I'm not getting hooked up.
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna get hooked up. So don't play games. Turn around. Turn around.
Just relax.
Just let us figure it out.
Boss, listen. Talk to my mom. Talk to my mom.
I'll talk to you.
Relax.
Listen, is this Mikhail here?
Let us do our job, all right?
Hello. Listen, Mikhail's being detained because there's something going on at Lowe's and we're investigating it. Talk to your mother. Talk to your mother. I'll find out. I'm just gonna go pull the security video, and then I'm gonna get you for interfering.
Interfering with what?
With an investigation. You're telling me you weren't in Lowe's.
How am I interfering with something that y'all...
Because you're lying to me.
Y'all came to me, though.
I know, because we got your description from the security at Lowe's.
Y'all didn't even get my description from nobody.
All right, turn around for a minute. You're going to be detained. Don't... Turn around, Mikhail. Mikhail.
Don't make it... Don't
turn around.
We're treating you like a gentleman, okay?
We're just going to...
You're treating me like a gentleman.
Listen, just let us figure it out.
We're not going to hang up. You can talk to her. You can talk to her.
You can talk to her.
You can talk to her.
Mama, what should I do? What should I do, bro?
Listen, we're just holding you.
No,
Let
bro,
us.
y'all holding me for nothing, boss. Y'all holding me for nothing.
Something's going on at Lowe's, and you're sweating for a reason.
I'm sweating because I just have to look how fucking look what I just did. I'm loud.
I'm not sweating.
Fuck, bro. Y'all will shoot.
No, we're not gonna do that, dude.
Mama, what should I do?
Just hold on. Don't.
What?
Who's the other hand?
Bro.
All right, just come sit over here.
Red car's involved too. She's sitting over there on the phone.
We're just gonna go over here.
No, she not, boss. I
You
swear to
sure?
God, she not.
Listen, we're gonna take care of everything. We'll sit you down over here.
Let me get my phone.
Yeah, we will. Just tell us the truth, Mikhail. It's gonna go that much quicker. We're gonna treat you. Look, I'm not
Y'all
gonna.
treat me with respect.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Just sit down, relax, take a breather. Just tell us what's going on. We know what's going on. We got the film, the security, all that.
It's not me, boss.
All right. So you work with us, we'll work with you. You're on camera, nothing's going on. We told you what was going on. We're gonna be good with you. Tell me he's being good. He's being good.
He's right here.
Talk to your mom.
Okay, let me talk to him.
What's up?
They said you shoplifting, what?
I don't know. I don't know what they say, Mom.
So here, look. She's on FaceTime.
They said
Here he is right here.
what?
What was it? What y'all say I was doing, boss?
So basically there was a fraud going on. He was with two other people. And they gave us your son's description. We saw him in the area and he started running. So he's detained now until we investigate it, but he's good. He's right here.
Okay, so what y'all looking for when y'all investigate?
What's that?
What are y'all looking for when y'all investigate? Like what y'all
He was involved in a fraud at Lowe's. Okay?
Okay.
And we had the
Okay.
we're just
Was he with somebody or something?
he was with two other people. One took off. Well, he was with two other people. We have the security footage there.
I'll get on the phone with her the whole time so he can get what I told him to get, which is a level.
Right.
I told you to go in there. I told him to go in TVS and get me my beans.
Alright. Well, here he is. You might want to talk to him, so hold on, Mom.
Let me talk to him.
Here, talk to your mom. Okay.
What's up, Mom?
Hey, where are you? Where is the address?
We're at 500 Executive Boulevard
I'm finna send you the location.
in Southington.
What is it? Put it in there. What's the address?
500 Executive Boulevard in Southington, Connecticut.
Can you spell the name?
He's going to send you a location.
What county is it?
That's in Southington.
How do you spell this, sir?
Southington.
S-O-U-T-H-I-N-G-T-O-U.
T-O-N.
T-O-U.
It's like Southington. All right, Mom, I gotta let you go right now. All right.
You gonna hang up on her? Keep
Here. You want to talk to her?
Just keep her right here. Keep on the
Yeah, you
phone.
can keep her on the phone. You can talk to her.
Thank you, boss. Yeah. Nah, bro. Look, I'm trying to see, bro.
The kid wants his shirt back. Taking his shirt off his back?
I didn't take his shirt off his back.
Guess I'm getting my stories messed up.
No, I swear to God, I didn't take his shirt off his back. Come on, bro.
Where's the kid?
Come on, man.
347, man.